Let's be honest. We're all going to die someday, but planning for it and dealing with the aftermath, that's where things get messy. Buried in Work built over 150 free information hubs, from how to close accounts after someone dies, to understanding probate, to financial literacy for spouses. While we won't draft your will or manage your parents' estate, we will connect you with experts who can. Our Clear Kit and Executor's Summary Report organize your estate's information so your family isn't grieving and scrambling at the same time. Best of all, the Clear Kit improves over time as it integrates with the Buried in Work's website's resources. We even have games that spark meaningful conversations without the awkward silences. And if you agree that life's too short not to have a little fun, the lighter side of our shop is right up your alley. Buried in Work. Life, death, and everything in between. Organized